Man, it's tough getting situated. Hey guys, this is Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, and we planted these lettuce about, I don't know, maybe about 3 weeks ago. And we have to harvest them now. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. You see that knob there? All you do is put your seeds in this planter, you put your plants in this planter, and it grows your food for you. We never water, we don't feed, we only supplement the environment. And it grows our food for us all the time successfully. And I've got a harvest. I wanted to save it. It looks so beautiful. It's so bountiful, so beautiful for lettuce. Have you ever seen lettuce this firm before? And it's just so beautiful. So I've got to make some salad for some loved ones. And so I'm going to come back and I'm going to harvest this. And I'm going to show you how to harvest it, okay? But again, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. They grow your food with no human intervention, and they provide you with tons of food that you've never seen before, that you have right at your doorstep. And that's what this is, right at my doorstep. I come outside to get my food all the time. And really, when I just come out, go to the base of the plant, and I harvest it. And this is what I get all of the time. Healthy food all of the time. And it's beautiful, guys. The colors are beautiful. The textures are beautiful. They're grown true to form, true to color, true to genetic inheritance. And they're beautiful. And this will be my food for breakfast. And the colors are amazing. These are all part of the colors that come out. Isn't that amazing? So subtle. So subtle. But yeah, this should be my breakfast. So what I'm going to do is that I normally make salad out of this. I cut it up real fine. So I'm going to get about 2 or 3 handfuls. That's really just one plant I just cut down. One plant. Let's cut another one down. Okay, here's another one. Guys, these are self-growing planters. They're called torpedo pots. All you do is put your seeds in this planter, put your plants in your planter, and it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. On a planter like this, oh my gosh. Last year, I think we harvested, not from this planter, from about smaller planters. And these are 20-inch. But the 16 and 12-inch, we harvested 11 pounds of lettuce. Now, how do you get 11 pounds of lettuce? Well, you grow it in a torpedo pot. Torpedo pot grows it for you. You don't have to do anything. Put your seeds in, put your plants in, and you'll always have food for the rest of your life. This is real food. Listen to this. That's the sound of real food, dude. This is really tender, delicious food. And it absolutely tastes delicious. Oh my gosh, I love it, guys. That's real food. So, I can stop here. But what I have, I don't really need to get any more. But I'm going to pick some onions. Might pick a little celery. You know, it's I think there's let me cut one more down. Take it away. Get those stalks out of the way. And I think I got some celery here too. It's growing with the lettuce. So I'm going to cut that down. Oh, just a little bit in the center. A couple leaves out. And put some celery in my salad. So, we have celery that's growing with the lettuce and my torpedo pot. And guys, remember, these are self-growing planters. They grow your food with no human intervention. Now, I'm going to show you the food and let you see how beautiful this food is. It's absolutely stunning. Isn't that just beautiful? No imperfections, no blemishes, no brown spots, no anything. This is the food that you deserve in your stomach. This is real food, guys. And it's grown using a torpedo pot. Torpedo pot can grow your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. Those people who are wondering if they're going to eat the next day or have something to eat, you have nothing to worry about. Torpedo pot will do that for you. You'll always have food. Always have food. And this is absolutely beautiful. You put your seeds in that planter right there. Put your plants in that planter, and look what it does for you. Try buying this at the supermarket, see how much it costs. It's amazing. So, what I'm going to do is that Greed would tell me to Mr. Addison, go harvest the rest of this, but you know what's so good about it? My food is always here waiting for me. I don't have to worry about tomorrow. It'll stay there until I come out and I want to harvest it. And so I'll have a lot of food to harvest, lots and lots of food to harvest. It's lots and lots of food to harvest. All the time, every day, all day. Food is not the issue. It's getting you guys to see how a technology will grow your food for you and establish your family's health for the rest of their lives. These planters have been running now for about 2-3 years. I don't touch them. All I do is throw my seeds in, turn it on, never water, never use synthetic fertilizers, and organically I supplement once a week to once every 10 days, sometimes once a month. And I get perfect food all the time. Torpedopot has developed the science for growing your food, an organic science for growing your food to ensure that it never fails. Oh, man, that's so good. Oh, that's better than the salad. So at the end, you'll probably see all the things I'm going to throw inside of here to make this thing work out, but do get yourself a set of Torpedopots. Put them around your dark areas, your light. This is a warm area, cool area where I have not a lot of sunlight. And the salad, the lettuce just grows so beautifully. Look at this one leaf. I just want to show you how beautiful it is. We didn't think in details about the leaf, but let's take a look at this leaf. Have you ever seen anything so beautiful? So well balanced. So well balanced. Take all the debris out of here for you. Isn't that beautiful? Dude, that is so beautiful. That is gorgeous. Look at those leaves. Isn't that amazing? Wow, that's amazing, guys. That is absolutely amazing. How beautiful that is. That roughage. That's what your food should look like all of the time. I'm Darryl Addison. And this is my invention called Torpedopot, and it's designed to grow your food, and it will do just that. You'll never have a problem with food again in your life. Thank you for taking the time out to be with me. I think I'm going to cut them down and store the rest of them because I want them to grow back. They're too big. I have some guests that are coming over, and I think I'll just cut them down and use them for my guests. Let's see how much we get out of this. Is that okay? Look at that. It's amazing. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Glad you put it here temporarily. That should be enough for my guests. I think I'm okay. That should clean up a little bit. Give them a little bit more air. And it'll expand and grow out a little bit more. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye. Beautiful.